Hello guys, it's me again, and for this video I'll show you how to replace the DRL bulbs of the Mazda 3 2022 non-hybrid. So bakit ko siya papalitan? Just to show you the comparison between the non-hybrid 2.0 for this year and yung previous na premium variant from 2019 to 2021 pala. So as you can see, yung 2022 na 2.0 non-hybrid, wala na siya nung adaptive headlamps. So ang nakuha niya is yung headlamps na similar to the discontinued na Elite model. So what I'm planning to do is to replace that halogen DRL with white LEDs para magmukha namang modern. So right now, as you can see, ayun, yung balak natin tanggalin. So papalitan lang natin yung bulb. This is going to be plug and play, and I'll show you how to do it on this video. So unang-una, anong LED bulb pa yung compatible? So ang kailangan natin is something like this. So it has to be T20 socket, since T20 yung nandun sa halogen DRLs. So right now I bought this online. I can send you the link if you guys want to. And then ayun, so ito yung gagamitin natin. So paano natin siya papalitan? So baba na tayo. I'll just pop the hood and I'll show you how. Okay, so ang usual kasi na method to replace the bulb dito sa headlamps ng Mazda is for you to open or to turn the wheel para magkaroon ka ng space dito sa wheel well, and then you'll remove the cover, tas doon mo i-access yung bulb. But given how the layout of the hood is, how the layout of the component is designed, pwede mo siya sungkitin dito. So nag-gloves lang ako kasi medyo matalim yung mga dulo ng metal panels para lang di tayo mahiwa. So to remove it, you need to turn it anti-clockwise, and pag narinig mo na siyang nag-pop, ayun, pwede mo na siya hilahin. So to remove the bulb, hihilahin mo lang din siya from the socket. Just be careful when removing it, since may tendency mapigtas yung cables. So what you would want to do is to hold or support the plug with your hands, and then hilahin mo yung bulb gamit yung index finger. So to install, we'll just do the opposite. Itutusok mo lang dun sa socket yung bagong bulb, and then ipapasok mo ulit siya dun sa casing. So if yung pagtanggal is anti-clockwise, you'll just have to do it in reverse. So kung napansin mo na ayun, na-shoot mo na siya hanggang dulo, you just need to turn it clockwise this time, and then tutunog ulit yon. So pwede mo siyang alug-alugin just to make sure na nakalock na. So once it's locked, it's already done. Now lipat tayo sa kabila. Inuna ko yung kanan or yung left headlamp than the right, kasi medyo mas mahirap dito since tumatama yung braso dun sa tube nung dun sa hood. So dito medyo mas tricky. So yung pagkabit nito hindi ko na video since dalawang kamay yung kailangan. Pero ayan, ganun din naman yung pag-remove sa kanya. Ito turn mo lang anti-clockwise, and then huhugutin mo yung bulb. Tapos papalitan mo siya nung palitan natin siya nitong LED bulb. So ayan. So wala naman siyang kailangang gawin sa fuse para maging compatible or mawala error codes. It's plug and play. So ayun, nakabit na siya. Again, di ko nga na video since dalawang kamay yung pinangkabit ko doon. Since medyo tumatama nga yung isang braso ko doon sa tubes nung isa hood. So ayan, one way to test it is to turn on the accessory mode. Tapos ayan, sige, pindutin mo lang ng dalawang beses yung start without depressing the brakes, and ayan, i-check na natin yung naging itsura niya. So sa accessory mode, since naka coming home light tayo, naka-on din yung projectors. So if di siya noticeable sa video, same sila ng pagka-white. So pantay sila ng ng pagka-white. So hindi siya mukhang aftermarket. And then sige, ilabas ko lang para mas ma-video ko ng diretso. So ayan, yan ay final look niya. So, it's subtle, it's a small change, pero ang laki nung difference. And if we compare it with how it looks originally, ayun, sa lower left, you can see na mas nagmukha talagang modern and bumagay dun sa headlamps na white yung DRL niya. And that's it for this one. See you on the next one. And thank you guys.